Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back again. This is the 7th lesson of Beginners series. I just came back from overseas. It will be another short lesson. One of the most common questions beginners ask is, why can't someone just create a Bitcoin 2.0? Or why can't another coin replace Bitcoin? Today, I will show you why Bitcoin is unique and why no other cryptocurrency can copy its properties. Bitcoin attributes are impossible to recreate. There's no founder, which is a huge advantage. No possibility to pre-mine the coin. It isn't a company. There's no marketing. There's no investors, no CEO, and no foundation. Satoshi Nakamoto just disappeared. Even though he had mined more than 1 million Bitcoin, he never cashed out. He never promoted Bitcoin. This kind of origin story can only happen once. No or every other coins has founders, investors, marketing, and incentive, right? Bitcoin is the only one that started truly neutral. Bitcoin decentralization is unmatched. Bitcoin has thousands of nodes consisting of developers, exchanges, wallet companies, miners, and users. Miners are spread across the world. No leader, no headquarters, no controlling company. Other coins did copy Bitcoin's original code, improvise some added features, and they may claim decentralization. But they have founders, foundations, terms or teams, roadmaps, and upgrade committee. Bitcoin has none of this. It is the only cryptocurrency that nobody controls. Bitcoin network make Bitcoin irreplaceable. Bitcoin has the largest, the strongest liquidity, security, adoption, brand trust, mining network, node count, and developer ecosystem. These network effects compounded over time. You can copy Bitcoin's code, but you cannot copy its 16 years of trust, global adoptions, decentralization mining, millions of holders, and institutional infrastructure. Bitcoin is not just software, it's a social consensus. Altcoin can innovate but cannot replace Bitcoin. Altcoin can experiment with speed, smart contracts, privacy, and features. But they all make trade-offs. Bitcoin goal is different. To be the most secure, most decentralized, most reliable money in the world. That's why Bitcoin doesn't compete with crypto. Bitcoin competes with money. So here's the big picture. Bitcoin can't be replaced because its origin, decentralization, and network effect cannot be recreated. You can copy the code, but you cannot copy the trust. So, in the next episode, we will explore how Bitcoin difficulty adjustment keep the network stable no matter what happens in the world. So, see you in episode 314. If you like this explanation, please tick the like and share it with your friends and family. Okay? See you next week. Bye bye.